In this video, I'm going to be manifesting where I'm going to go in my future, who the man I'm going to become is, and I want to be able to look back on this video in 2 years, 5 years, 10 years, and see who I've become. And I'm also going to make this public so anyone can look back on this and see that I was just like you. Right now, I'm just like you. I'm trying to become a man that has money and that lives his dreams out and does what he wants. I know I'm gonna be rich one day, and I know that my dreams of having businesses and being a successful day trader and being able to invest my money correctly, I know that I'm gonna be able to do that one day, and I'm gonna be shredded, and mentally I'm gonna be so strong, and I know I'm gonna change this world. I'm gonna inspire people, young men, to be healthy, to reach for their dreams, to know they can do anything, and also take care of themselves. I'm gonna fucking change this world. No matter how much work it may take, I want to make good change in this world. Because young men are looking pretty fucking sad nowadays. Fat, addicted to dopamine, don't care about their health, don't have any dreams they're going towards, don't have jobs. And I want to be an inspiration to all those young men who have dreams in their life. In my future, I'm going to build an amazing audience, a huge audience of people who I inspire. Right now, I have 30 subscribers on my YouTube channel. 30 subscribers, and I have 100 followers on my TikTok. Don't have an Instagram for my trading account, and I'm a completely unprofitable trader. I've made no money. In trading, I've lost money. I've put more money in, and I haven't made a single penny in trading. Nothing. I'm almost 2 years in. I'm a year in 3 months, about 4 months. I'll be 2 years into trading, no money at all. And I started off by losing I think it was like $2,500 in options trading on Robinhood and Webull. All my graduation money, all the money I saved up, I blew it all. Money that my mom gave me to buy food, I blew it all. And I'm very grateful for the life I have and my parents. But I haven't made a single penny off trading yet. But I know that I'm going to be a successful trader one day. I have no doubt in my mind. And I'm closer than I've ever been before. And I know I'm going to watch this video back in a couple years, in a couple months, and I'm going to be a successful trader. I'm going to watch this video back in 1 year at the end of 2025, and I'm going to be so much farther. And I'm going to tell my audience to come back and watch this video because anything is possible. Also, I lost in March this year, I lost $600 in crypto. This month, I lost $400 in crypto gambling, and it showed me that there is an opportunity in crypto, but my opportunity is to start to build an audience. It is not to try and gamble and make money off meme coins. Right now, I'm a soccer referee. I'm working Fridays and Saturdays, and I also paint the fields Tuesdays and Thursdays, and I'm making okay money. I'm also reselling clothes. Hold on one sec. Yeah, I'm reselling clothes. All time, I've made $2,000 reselling clothes, but that doesn't account for me buying the clothes. Um, I'm not sure. I don't think that accounts for shipping prices either. And just the time I put into that, it's not worth it anymore. I also, hold on, I'll pull that up too. I also have my own dog sitting brand with a website that I created. And I've had about 8 clients so far. About 5, 6 consistent clients. And I made a pretty nice website. Looks good. I really like it. And yeah, that's what I'm doing so far. And I've been paper trading. Again, no money. And I'm starting to see my skills come into fruition. I'm getting better. Um, my psychology of trading is getting better, where I can wait for a trade, wait and not take a trade the whole day. And there's still room to improve, but I'm getting better. And I just know it in my heart that if I keep going, keep working hard day by day, that I will become that man that I want to be. All my dreams will come true. And I'm manifesting it, and I just know that when I come back, that in 2 years and I make it, and I know that I'm going to be able to send people back to this video to watch me before I made it and see that it's actually possible. It's fucking possible. You can do it too. Put your mind to it. Get to work. Cut out the distractions. I cut out all my fucking friends. I used to drink. I used to smoke. I had a girlfriend. Everything is cut out. I literally have like no fucking friends right now. And I'm happy with that because I'm motivated. I'm I'm willing to sacrifice things to get to my goals. Right now I'm 100 days sober. Let me see exactly. 110 days sober. Off the weed, and I haven't drank since before that. Off the weed, no alcohol, no partying, no nothing. I cut out the distractions out of my life. Sometimes you got to do what it takes to reach your dreams. I also cut junk food out of my life. I only eat food that I cook at home. Every single meal. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. I cook 3 meals for myself. Stay healthy. I stay in the gym every day. I'm at my computer. I go to bed at 10:30 every day. I wake up early, 6 a.m., 5:45. I get up early. I get to trading. I do my morning routine. I read. I just got done reading for 30 minutes, and I'm going to meditate after this. Every day, every single day, I'm getting better. And it's going to take time, but if I can focus on day by day doing what I can do and enjoying the fucking process, The thing is, like, when you hear me saying no partying, no friends, no alcohol, no drugs, you think like I'm fucking lame. This is my life, and I enjoy this shit. I enjoy being by myself, and I enjoy getting to work, improving who I am to reach my dreams. I enjoy that shit. I enjoy cooking food for myself. It feels awesome to see myself grow. And I'm so excited for the man I'm gonna become in a few years. I can't fucking wait for that shit. I swear anything's fucking possible. Don't let fear stop you from following your dreams. I'm posting on TikTok. Like, I don't care if people I know are looking at that and think I'm cringe. I don't fucking care. I want to become something. And I'm not going to let emotion of people judging me or fear that it's going to fail stop me, because every failure is just me growing to the man I want to become. And I know that. I've learned that from trading. Trading has taught me so many things. Even though I haven't made a single dime, trading has taught me so much about life, so much about psychology and how to live. Like, I know I need to not set any expectations. I need to be in it for the long run. I need to focus on building good habits. I need to be patient. I can't have any fear of missing out. I need to be able to handle my emotions. This is what it takes. And anyone can do it. It just takes some hard work. It takes enjoying the process. It takes thinking about it with a long-term vision. It takes self-introspection, being able to look at your flaws and know what you're doing wrong and why you feel certain ways. But it is completely fucking possible. I don't care who you are. If you're watching this video, you have access to this video, it is possible. You have access to the internet, it is possible. And I'm going to be living proof of that. Yes, I was blessed with a great situation with my life. Very grateful for the things I have in my life. I was incredibly blessed. But I know I still would have gotten to where I'm going to go, no matter the circumstances. You can do it. Look at who I am. I'm just like you right now. And the last video you watched, say you're watching this 2 years in the future, and the last video you watched was me buying a fucking nice ass car. Buying a fucking nice ass car in my fucking apartment or in my fucking beach house. It was not that far from where I am right now. Right now I have nothing. I just have time. And I have growth. But I don't have any money. I don't have big amounts of money to be spending. Like, I don't go to concerts like the people I was friends with. They go to concerts, they take vacations. I don't want to spend my money on vacations. I don't want to spend my money on experiences right now. I want to save my money. And that's what it takes. So thank you for watching this video. I'm manifesting this shit. Who I'm going to become. How I'm going to impact this world. How I'm going to inspire young men. How I'm going to make this country healthier and care about their health. and how I'm going to have a big audience. I'm going to be an influencer. I'm going to have 100,000 followers on TikTok, 100,000 subscribers on YouTube, and I'm going to be making videos that people enjoy to watch. I know this is all completely possible. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.